Welcome to my little herbery. One of the main things that this was missing was something for me to sit on while I work with my plants. Today we're going to be looking at a kneeler and a seat for gardening. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box, you are going to have the seat, the instruction manual, a little tool holder, and then the neatest pair of gardening gloves I think I've ever seen. To open this, you just lift up on the sides and it locks into place. Then you can kneel on this side or sit on the top. While in the seated position, you are going to want to use the stabilizer bars. So when your stabilizer bars are out, they should look like this. And then you can put your little tool container right onto the side. When not in use, you can easily fold it up by using the spring mechanisms on either side to fold in the legs. I'm currently using this as a seat in my little herbery, but I could just as easily flip it over and kneel down. Now I'm using it to kneel on, and it's actually really comfortable. Like, the padding is super thick, but also it's very dense, so you don't sink too far into it, but there is some give. Like, I'm sinking into it, but not super far. This is a mother of thousands plant, and it makes thousands of little plants. I'm wondering how easy it will be to just kind of pluck them. Oh, look at that. So these gloves make it really easy to pluck things out of the ground, and I can propagate this now. I'm not sure what I liked better, the bench or the gloves. If you are looking for something to make gardening a little more comfortable, I would highly recommend this dual bench and kneeler for your garden.